Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have a really fun box card for you. This is my graduation box card. Now I do have two different versions. I'll show you the other version here in just a little while. But how fun is that? You have the little graduate there in the front, all happy with their diploma. You have the university in the background, and the books and the achievement trophy there in the front. It folds nice and flat for mailing. There's a spot on the back for your message, and I include an envelope as well. This card is really easy to put together, and I can't wait to show it to you. So go ahead and take a look at the materials list, and let's get started. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. This project was part of Summer Craft Party 2024. To get the cut file for this project, you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass at thebeardedhousewifecom/SCP24. If you're interested in only this project, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop. I have links to both options in the description box below. No matter which option you choose, you'll want to make sure you download the cut file, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer. Now for this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Girl Graduate box card. Go ahead and select the file and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the layers panel and find the envelope. Go ahead and click on that icon to drop down the layers. Highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. We need to do the same thing to the outside box piece. Click on that icon, highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. And lastly, we need to do the same thing for the inside tab piece. Click on that icon, highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. So altogether, we've converted the score lines for the envelope, the outside box piece, and the inside tab piece. Once that's done, go ahead and click Make It. And you can see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our outside box piece and fold along all the score lines and then burnish with our scraper. Okay, just like that. Let's set that to the side. I'm going to go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. Now go ahead and flip the outside box piece over, and we're going to attach the messaging panel to the back. I'm going to set that to the side for just a minute. Now we can go ahead and layer the inside tab piece. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these together. That's going to be the same for the girl version as well as the boy version. Now for the inside tab piece, you're going to attach the white layer behind the gray layer and then place the cream layer on top of the gray layer. Before I layer these together, I'm going to fold and burnish the tabs on the inside tab piece. And now I'll go ahead and layer these together and show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there is our inside tab piece. I'm going to set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and layer the front cover panel. For the front cover panel, you're going to start with the light blue, then dark blue, then orange, then yellow. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I layer everything together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there is our front cover panel. Place that to the side for just a minute. Let's go ahead and take our outside box piece and now our inside tab piece. I'm going to add glue to this left side here. And I'm going to place that tab on the left side here on the box piece, making sure to line up the edges along this score line and then the bottom. And now I will add glue to this right tab and go ahead and fold the box piece over. Give the card a little fold. Just like that. Let's lay it to the left here. Go ahead and fold over this front tab. Add glue to this left front tab. Attach the front cover panel here. And repeat for the other side. Go ahead and give the card a fold. there we have our card. I'm going to set that to the side for just a minute. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Go ahead and add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Place the inlay over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Fold those side flaps in. Add your glue to the bottom of the side flaps. Go ahead and push up with your thumbs and press. And that forms our envelope. And our girl graduate box card is all set. And then here is the boy version. Now, full disclosure, when you look at the boy version in the download, I really reversed the boy. He's supposed to be kind of cheering to the right, but as you can see, no one's going to notice, and they're obviously reversible as long as you line up both of the blue layers together. That secret is between just you and I. How fun was this card to make? I love the little expressions on the graduates' faces. Once again, let's look at both of the cards. This is the girl graduate, and this is the boy graduate. Really, really fun, and I think that your graduate will really enjoy this card. I also love how customizable they are. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with me, whether that be through email or through our Facebook group. I would love to see your creations. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Summer Craft Party video. Bye-bye.